Hey everybody, it's David here. Welcome to the TDB channel, where I challenge you to think, dream, and believe in yourself with a focus on personal finance. So what I want to talk about today is how Tubman's in and Jackson's out on the $20 bill. But before we do that, please take a moment and hit subscribe on this channel, make sure to hit the notification bell, and push the like button on this video. So Joe Biden just went ahead and put in an executive order to re-engage getting Harriet Tubman on the $20 bill. Now this was something that was started back in 2016 by the Obama administration, but was then pushed to the back burner by the Trump administration. And so it was originally planned that the new bill would come out in 2020, but obviously that didn't happen and was actually pushed back to 2030 by the Trump administration. So by Biden putting in this new executive order, I think we're going to see that that timeline is going to be accelerated a lot from the 2030 date that we're currently looking at. And getting Harriet Tubman on the $20 bill is a huge deal. It not only represents that first African American to be put on U.S. paper currency, but also the first African American woman to be put on U.S. paper currency. The Treasury Department said, "It's important that our notes, our money, reflect the history and diversity of our country, and Harriet Tubman's image gracing the new $20 note will certainly reflect that." And Tubman is an amazing choice to represent that goal from the Treasury Department. She was born into slavery in 1822 and went on to become an abolitionist and political activist. After she escaped slavery in 1849, she became a conductor of the Underground Railroad, which included multiple escape missions for other slaves. She ultimately passed away in 1913 and became an icon of courage and freedom. And adding her to the $20 bill is a fitting place for her to be remembered and to truly represent the history and the diversity of the U.S. While I greatly appreciate Biden re-engaging this initiative to get Tubman on the $20 bill, it's still just such a small step in the space of diversity and inclusion. And Biden is taking additional steps, such as having his cabinet members represent what America really looks like today. But there's still so much more that needs to be done, and change isn't going to happen from the top. It's going to happen with all of us. So I really just encourage you to stop for a moment, think about what you're going to say before you say it, and really educate yourself in the diversity and inclusion space. It's going to be up to all of us to be able to change the world and make it a better place. So as always, please remember to think, dream, and believe in yourself. You got this.